In this video, I'll be showing you how I use this repair kit to fix the hinge problem on my Sony MX5. So I've had this headset for the last 2 years, but after 1 year or so of usage, the hinge on the right ear got broken. And for the last couple of months, I couldn't use my headset anymore until this week when I visited the problem again, did some research online, and I found this repair kit. This kit actually serves two purposes from what I read. The first purpose is prevention. So you can put it on the hinges of your headset to avoid it breaking in the first place. And the second purpose is that if the hinge is broken already, then you can sort of fix the hinges so you can still use your headset again, which, as you can see here, I'm able to use my headset fine. Now, one of my big surprises this week when making my research was that this hinge problem on the MX5 is pretty common. I found a bunch of Reddit threads with many people saying their hinge got broken, and there were several solutions like try super glue. I tried super glue, that didn't work for me, or try some 3D printed solutions. I tried one 3D printed solution, it also didn't work for me until I eventually found the repair kit. Now for the repair kit, I found people online also saying that the repair kit actually works, it does a good job, but it's too expensive. People were talking about how this should be £10 or £15. Why is it £45? And when I got this repair kit, it was actually €45 for me. So at this point, I don't really understand why people were complaining of the price. But when the kit arrived, when I saw how small the kit was, I thought to myself, actually, this should be €10 or €15. Why is it €45? But anyways, how do you use the kit? Well, it's a very straightforward setup. You have some connectors which you can use on the right side and on the left side. And the goal of the connectors is that you plug them together. They sort of hold the hinge really tight, and then you can screw the connectors together. The process is very straightforward, but the screws are so tiny, and it took me a lot of back and forth before I could get the screws, before I could even get the connectors in place and get the screws. It was tough. Now what I did was I first tried the kit on the hinge that wasn't broken, the left part, saw how it looked. Then I tried it on the right part, which is where the hinge was broken. And after everything and getting everything together, now I have this. If not that I chose a different color, it almost feels like the kit is part of the headset. There were other parts of the kit that I didn't use. Apparently you use that in the case where the hinge is really broken, but in my case the hinge wasn't really broken, it was just slightly loose, so I didn't need to use those extra parts. But maybe in your case you might need those extra parts. Now, two big things to consider for a kit like this. First thing you might be thinking of is how reliable or sturdy is it? Like I researched online, a lot of people said it was really reliable, it was very sturdy, strong. But in my case, I don't know if it's a mental thing. For some reason, I just feel like it's fragile. Maybe because the kit itself is plastic. I can expand the headset. It's fine, I think. But yeah, honestly, I don't know. I feel like it's a mental thing. It does look solid. I've been able to use the headset well. I can wiggle my head like you can see. Everything is fine, but for some reason, if I'm putting the headset down or trying to expand or, make this longer, I just feel scared that I might break it more. But maybe that's just the me thing. And I've only been using this for the last 24 hours. So maybe after using it for a long time, I can say if it's very reliable or not. Now, the second thing to consider is that you won't be able to put the headset in the headset bag anymore. I can't do that anymore, which means this now has to be lying around, or I can get a headset stand and put that. One other thing I forgot to mention in this video is that there are other solutions where you can replace the whole headband. Like this video you can see here, you take the headband apart, you can get a new headband and attach it. Now, I didn't go with a solution like this because I was scared of opening the headset and destroying something inside. So that's why I went with the repair kit, which was, at least in my case, it was safer than ripping the whole headset apart. So yeah, that's about it. If you're about getting the MX5, like I said, maybe think again. Or you can actually get the MX5 and get the kit, which, like I said, one of its purposes is to also prevent the hinge from breaking in the first place. Because apparently the hinge breaking is actually very common. So something to keep in mind. I hope this video was helpful.